Well, here we are with the panels on an A-frame. They're mounted on an A-frame here because our roof line is north-south, and to put it on the roof would have meant we needed a pair of panels on the eastern side and a pair of panels on the western side to take advantage of the traverse of the sun. The system consists of the tubes as you see them, a collector which runs along the top. The media within these tubes warms up the collector. Liquid inside the collector, which is just water and glycol mix, then flows with the aid of a pump via a control unit into a coil within our stainless steel insulated storage tank down in the house, and there it discharges the heat energy that's collected in the collector box up here into the stored water. The vacuum tubes have inside them a reflective surface which allows the sun to be captured further around during its movement through the sky. The controller carries out regulatory functions on the pump. As soon as the temperature in the collector becomes higher than the temperature in the base of the storage unit, the pump switches on and circulates the liquid. Also, with the controller, you can transmit information from the controller to a computer. You could maintain records throughout the year and see and check the efficiency of your unit. Yes, the installation cost about £4,600 in all, plus VAT at 5%. The tubes came out at 2,600. The tank was just under 1,000, and the installation was 1,000. What do I get from it? In the winter, in truth, not a lot. The heat from the sun at the low elevation is not particularly strong. It might raise it up by perhaps 5 or 10 degrees. But where it comes into its own is in the summertime, because in the summertime we don't have to use any electrical input to heat our water. We're getting input from the sun, and that's sufficient to raise the temperature of 250 litres up to very approximately 50 degrees centigrade. Of course, the pump is ticking over all the time, but that, I believe, only uses up about as much as a 60-watt light bulb or less. So there's quite a considerable saving in the summertime. The roof of our old building here is 100-odd years old. Contractors working on old roofs can do a lot of damage, and you should make sure that, if possible, you can get some recommendations locally. If I was going to have somebody install these for me again, I would want to go and see his work.